In the Sony WH-1000XM5 manual, you'll learn how to use all the gestures of your Sony Mark 5 headphones and how to use the touch sensor control panel or simply touch controls for effortless listening. So let's begin. First of all, if you have the Sony Wireless Connect app, you'll need to make sure that the touch control panel is enabled from the settings. Just go to the Systems tab and make sure that it's turned on from here. Also, turn on Voice Assistant from here if you want to enable Voice Assistant using the touch controls. Now let's see the touch functions. If you tap on the right ear cups, you'll see it will make a tone, which means your touch controls are working. And while you're playing music, you can play or pause the soundtrack by double tapping on the touch sensor. You can also swipe left or right to change the songs, and swipe up or down to increase or decrease the volume. And while you're getting an incoming call, you can receive the call by double tapping, and while you're done talking, just double tap again to hang up. You can also long press during the call to transfer it to your phone. And if you don't want to answer a call, then to reject it, hold down the touch panel with one finger and the call will be rejected. And to activate Voice Assistant that we turned on at the first of the video, you'll need to hold down one finger and you'll see Voice Assistant will pop up on your phone, whether it's Siri, Google Assistant or Bixby. You can also enable or disable the Speak to Chat feature by holding down the touch panel with two fingers. And when Speak to Chat is enabled, this feature will pause the music playback when it detects you speaking. Your Sony XM5 headphones also have a cool feature called Attention Mode. And if you cover the touch panel with your hands, the Quick Attention Mode will be enabled. When Quick Attention Mode is enabled, it will lower the music volume and enable full transparency. When you're done, simply remove your hand to dive back into music. And lastly, even though it's not a touch function, most of you may not know that if you press the power button while your headphone is on, you'll be able to get a quick battery check.
Battery, about 90%.
And just like that, you have mastered the usage of your Sony XM5 headphones. Make sure to support us by giving this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and happy listening.